guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, magpunta kami sa BeautyCon ng Watson. So, nandyan kasi si David Licao. So, puntahan namin guys. Punta namin si David Licao. Bakit na kami guys?
Ayaw mag-download.
Bakit ayaw mag-download? Download mo.
Wala akong wifi.
Ha? Akong wifi. So, wala daw siyang wifi guys. So, we need to go in second floor kasi may free wifi. Ha?
Si Ma'am mo.
Dito na kami guys. Saan na si Dito ba yon? Then guys, papasok na kami guys. Ayan.
Winners of those who purchased 38 products of 999 pesos worth. Nandiyan pa kayo? Ayun, nandito sila. Okay, those who purchased 999 pesos worth of their main products. Marami na yun, ha? So, fresh and confident kayo. Mr. David Licao.
Ayan. Sir David Licao guys.
Thank you po sa inyong bumili ng 999.
Yes.
Ta.
Pause muna. Let's have a group photo. All the winners and Mami Nish with David. Group photo, please. Please move forward. Mami Nish. Nakakakilig ang makantahan ng isang Mr. David Licao. I'm sure a lot of you, guys, aside from, ayan, nakikita ko ate, how do you feel? Kinikilig po ako right now. Guys, kinikilig. It's normal to kilig. And it's normal for us na mga kinikilig to have someone like nagproproduce ng extra sweat yung body natin. Ayun o, si ate girl, nanginginig-ginig siya. I'm sure pawis-pawis siya. So, Mami Nish, while they're doing selfies, ayan na dyan si Mami Nish, I have a question for you. Kasi nagbigay ng oral breath ka, nasabi mo, 99 points. Yes! Wait lang, nahawakan kita, David. Alam mo ba yung sinasagot ko, guys? Namamawis na ako.
Especially when you're beside David, diba? So, dapat lagi, and yun nga on the go talaga, even my kids, I let them use it. So, now naman, so we're speaking of kapag ganyan na natitense ka, may katabi kang pogi, di ba? So, nandiyan na baka kinakabahan ka na. And then, pwedeng maging sweaty. But don't worry guys, we have a product from DermAid that really works. Ito, gamit nito ng buong family ko. They also have the Tawas line. So first they have, I don't think it's here, but they have roll-on, the Dio, this one's the soap. So partner talaga yan. It has to be the DermAid Tawas soap and the DermAid underarm roll-on or the Tawas powder. They'll also have that. So they're naturally, yung ingredients niyan ay very safe for the whole family. My daughter who's 9 years old is already also using them. So
Thank you
talagang
so
subok
much.
namin and gamit na gamit namin yan sa household namin.
But beside David, so just in case you guys want to try out DermAid, the booth is there on our right side, your left side.
We'll all be here after, right?
Yeah, both of you will be there at the booth. So kung gusto nyong maamoy si David like I did,
So let's do that. And on top of that, syempre, I do have that you can make for free small world, the freedom.
Yan guys. Saan yung ano?
Yes.
Yan mga product natin guys. Si Adio. Adio Frost. Pants. Yan. So mag-ikot tayo guys na daming saan tayo? Ganda dito. Guys, a lot of sales here.
Dr. Garlic Snack.
Skin. Ala, skin, oo. Centella. CosRX.
so everyone, bye!
See you at the DermAid booth!
Now that's how you freshen up a journey. Thank you, Mr. David and DermAid, for keeping our beauty travels fresh and clean. Beauty travelers, don't forget to check out the DermAid booth for tips and products that would keep you ready for every destination. Next stop on our journey, we're now boarding the Fragrance Express, and your estimated time of arrival is 2:30 p.m.
Sinaw, oy. Urban. Hi, hello po. DCB. Dami tao dito. Live po kayo sa Piliya sa Belize. Char.
Wala na,
Sabi yung
Bente,
ano,
sarap.
butane dito at saka ano. Okay. Okay. DermAid, okay, Sir David.
Mabangtik ko eh.
Right here. No. Ano ba yan? Makaroon tayo ng... Ay, Watson. Ah, naturals. Makasaro ano dyan ko ganing. Hi, ma'am. Cameraman. Yes, ma'am. Ay, Target Pro. Tara na, oy. Skin taping.
Stress ng balik na ito.
Ang ingay ah.
Reunion ba tayo?
Dahil sa'yo yan ah.
Hi everyone! It's so nice to see all of you today. I'm Nadine Lustre for Lux Organics, Lux Fragrances, and we're very excited to unveil the Lux Fragrances Soleil de Paris collection with all of you. So sana excited din kayong lahat.
Yes, and you know what? Every time na nakasama kita mag-host, nahihiya ako magtanong, ano scent mo? But thankfully ngayon,
Alam mo na.
alam ko na, i-unveil natin together. But before that, I do wanna ask, like, why fragrance and how is it so important to you specifically?
Well, honestly, you know, growing up, I would see my mom's
Collection niya.
yung collection niya. Sobrang dami ng perfume. And yung pinaka-memory ko na every time na nagpo-perfume siya is paglalabas siya. So she looks so glamorous, she's always well-prepped and she's dressed really nice. So parang growing up, yun na yung naisip ko na parang there's some sort of connection when it comes to empowerment and when it comes to feeling and looking good. So now that I'm all grown up, I have my very own collection na as well. And every time I go out, it's always a different scent. Kasi I have moods when it comes to perfumes. I'm not very picky when it comes to my perfumes, but syempre, I still pick the ones that I like, diba? But it's not always the same, I
Oh.
guess, notes. It's always, it's not always floral, it's not always parang berries. Iba't-iba talaga siya. Kasi
Yan, guys. Hanggang kami ng beauty, guys. And, magkita kami guys. Pawin na kami guys.
Good afternoon, please! Tumami na ang tao. I wonder why it might be involving a very fresh person that's coming in.
Hi guys, we're going out na guys kasi duty time na. Yan. Done with the BeautyCon. So, bye-bye. Ito nang exit na dito yata.